Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. I wanted to show you today how we can fix a device like this. This is a vaping device. Uh, this device comes with, you can switch this around to 4 different flavors. It says lift and twist right over here. But yeah, it comes with 4 containers like this, small containers where they go in here, 4 different flavors, and then you just switch this around to switch between the flavors. Anyways, once you have finished utilizing the flavors, what do you do with this? This basically burns the coil. If you can look at this coil, this is the coil from this flavor over here. So this basically burns the coil. Have a good look, it's all black, and once it's burned, you do not get the flavor from the vaping device anymore. You get a burnt taste, which is not good for your lungs. It's bad. So what do you do with it? You basically have to chuck this into the bin. But if you have good knowledge with how to fix stuff, even if you know how to use a screwdriver like this and fix small things like fix a small electrical plug or maybe fix a fuse, you should be able to fix this as well. It's that easy, guys. So for this, what do you do? So let me show you in this video right now. So I've got some coils which I ordered online. It's called the rebuild kit. You get about 10 coils in this, some mesh coils and some cotton sleeves, and a small pin that helps you fit the coil. The coil looks something like this. This is a brand new coil, unused coil. It's called a mesh coil. So let me show you in this video how I will fix this device and it will start working with fresh flavor, no burnt taste, until you use it and it burns eventually. So here we go. Let's begin. So yes, it comes like this. This is the pin, this is the sleeve, and this is the cover with the cotton and the juice inside, which has already been refilled in this. Strawberry watermelon. It's all already refilled in this. So what you need to do is, I will have to use this pin and some of the cotton sleeves over here, just like this. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this coil, place it like this, and then place it on the sleeve like this, just right there. Hope it's clear. Then I'm going to twist the coil and the cotton mesh, the cotton sleeve, just like this, right? Next thing what I'm going to do is, I'm going to push the coil along with the cotton sleeve into these gaps over here. It's a bit tricky and requires patience, a little bit of skill. So let me try to do this. Okay, it's almost there. There we go, and that's in just like that, right? That's our most important step. Take it all the way down like that till it reaches the end. Okay, make sure the coil is nice and secure in between that. I will not take this out yet because I want the coil to stay in place. So what I'm going to do next is, I'm going to cut these extra bits off. Just going to give it a fine cut, just like that. There you go. I've cut the extra bits off. There's no problem if there's a little bit left on the outside, it's completely fine. Once that's done, I'm going to separate the coil wires. So this is the sleeve, so I'm going to take this here this way. Yes, I might have to remove this thing off right now. This pin, I'll just take it off quickly and nice and slowly. Just pull it out nice and slowly. As you can see, I don't know how clear it is, the coil is nicely fitted on the inside of the cotton mesh. There you go. Is that clear? Yes. Right, so the next step will be to take the coil wires, separate them. They should not be touching each other. Just separate them just like that, and then put it into the small fine holes of the sleeve. Oh, it goes this way, sorry. Small fine holes of the sleeve, and then just push that thing in. There you go. This is what it looks like. Oh no, sorry, I've missed one hole. So there's one and there's the other one. Make sure you don't bend the pins while doing this, because then it only gets a bit difficult. Next step, this coil wires are a little bit big. I'm going to just cut them off a little bit, not much, a little bit, just like that. And I'm going to push each wire towards the side like this. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push this wire and this hole. I'm going to cut a little bit more. That's it. There you go. I'm going to push this wire in here, and this wire in here, and this. That's it. That's how it's supposed to look. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some mango. You can use whatever you prefer, your choice of flavors. I'm going to use this one here. For this, I'm going to just quickly soak the cotton sleeve with some juice, just like that, so that it doesn't burn the coil once we start using the device. Right, there you go. That should be good. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push this into the cotton, which is already been soaked, which is already full of liquid. I'm going to just put some more just in case, so that this cotton here should not be dry. This should be soaked with liquid. The moment it dries up and runs out of juice, the coil starts to burn. There you go. That's looks pretty juiced up right now. And then I'm just going to push this in here, just like that. And next step for me will be to just cover this just like that. Oops, sorry, should have done it the other way around. I'm just going to pull this out slowly. There you go. I need to put this one in first. and secure it nicely in place. Yep, nice and secure. Now I'm just going to push this in here, and that is it. Now I'm just going to connect these two pins with this one here, put on my top nozzle, and that should be fine. Yep, and that is it. That's how it is done.